If you want to factory reset your Motorola Edge 7D Fusion by using the recovery mode, then first of all we need to restart our phone. I'm gonna use power and volume up buttons at the same time to open the power menu, and then you want to tap on the restart option. Once this restarting text disappears, press and hold volume down button, and keep holding it until you open the bootloader. So just keep holding it. There we go. Now once you are in this menu, you want to keep pressing volume up or volume down until you find the recovery mode text. So then press power button once you have it on the screen. Your phone is going to restart again, but then in a couple of seconds we will see the no command text on the screen with that Android logo. There we go. So once you have that, you want to press and hold power, and once you hold power button, you want to also press volume up. So it looks like this. First we press and hold power button and then press volume up. And there we go. Now here in this menu we can navigate by using volume buttons again, just like before, and we need to keep going until we find the wipe data / factory reset option. In here you can confirm your choice once again by using the power button. Here then choose factory data reset in order to confirm, and that should be pretty much all. In case you go back to the Android recovery mode menu, you want to restart your phone afterwards, so make sure that reboot system now option is selected and then just press the power button. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.